An old farmer and his wife were tending to their crops when they noticed something unusual in their backyard. His wife cautioned him not to let his curiosity lead him into trouble, but as the night fell, the strange sounds became hard to ignore. One evening, while she slept soundly, he was drawn to the unsettling noises coming from outside, and the atmosphere quickly turned ominous. Stepping cautiously into the darkness, the farmer's heart raced as he approached the source of the sound. With each step, the air grew heavier, and an unsettling feeling began to creep over him, making him question his decision to venture out alone at such a late hour. As he reached the spot where the noises originated, the farmer knelt down and brushed away the dirt, uncovering a shiny metal object that seemed out of place. His mind raced with possibilities, wondering what this strange artifact could mean, and if it held secrets far beyond his simple life. With trembling hands, the farmer lifted the peculiar object into the light, revealing strange markings and symbols etched across its surface. As he marveled at its beauty, a chilling wind swept through the backyard, and he felt an eerie presence surrounding him, as if something was watching from the shadows. In a frenzied moment of panic, the farmer threw the object away, his mind clouded with fear as he felt the presence close in on him. Just then, a piercing scream broke the stillness of the night, reaching his wife's ears, and she rushed outside, fearing the worst as the shadows deepened around her. As the shadows engulfed him, the farmer's heart raced, and he realized too late the danger that had crept upon him. His wife's desperate call pierced the night, but the only response was the chilling echo of silence, leaving her to fear that her husband might never return.